Pratibha, who's sharing more insights with us. Yes, Pratibha.
All right, Swati, we'll come back to you. It looks colourful and all decked up. Ayodhya, as the Prime Minister is also all set to come there. We can see a lot of devotees who have arrived there as well, all decked up for the grand flag hoisting ceremony. Historic milestone marking the completion of the Ram Temple construction 22 months after presiding over the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Prime Minister Modi is going to be there, and ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also reviewed the preparations in Ayodhya and issued the necessary directions to the concerned officials. The right-angled triangular flag, that is where all eyes will be, because that's the saffron flag that will be hoisted atop the Ram Mandir, measuring 10 feet in height and 20 feet in length, bearing the image of the radiant sun, symbolizing the brilliance and valor of Bhagwan Ram. It will also have an inscription of Om on it, along with the image of the Kovidara tree. My colleagues Adib and other colleagues, Pragya as well, have been on the spot, getting us a report, talking to the devotees, speaking about the preparations. Take a look.
Ayodhya is all set for the grand event that will take place on 25th of November, where Prime Minister Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and CM Yogi Adityanath will be present inside the Ram Temple, with the flag hoisting ceremony marking the completion of the construction of Ram Temple will take place. The Prime Minister Modi will be inside the Ram Temple. The security protocols have been enhanced throughout the Ayodhya after the Delhi incident, and you can see multiple security personnel. They have been deployed in and around Ram Temple. You will see that the security forces, along with the paramilitary forces, they all have been deployed around the Ram Temple. And in fact, apart from the paramilitary forces, the NSG commandos, the ATS commandos and other CRPF units have been deployed throughout the Ayodhya. After the Delhi incident, the security has been heightened in Ayodhya. The threat level has been increased, and with the Prime Minister Modi being in the city, the security has been enhanced for the Ram Temple also. This is the gate from where Prime Minister Modi and CM Yogi Adityanath, RSS Chief Bhagwat, will enter inside the Ram Temple premises. And this is the gate. They see how beautifully they are decorating this entire gate. It's written that Shikhar Dhwajarohan Mahotsav, Shri Ram Janma Bhoomi Tirth Kshetra. So this is all they are decorating with the flowers. Then we have Jai Shri Ram written with the flowers. They are decorating it beautifully. This entire gate is being decked with the flowers for the main event to take place. In fact, this is the Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya Dwar, from where all the VVIPs will enter inside the Ram Temple. The construction of the Ram Temple, the first stone was laid on August 5th, 2020 after the Supreme Court ruling. And in 2024, the consecration ceremony started, where Prime Minister Modi and other dignitaries were present. And now in 2025, the completion of Ram Mandir is taking place. And in fact, this flag hoisting ceremony marks that the completion and the construction of the Ram Temple